Hey guys, welcome. It's been a while since I've posted anything, so I wanted to talk about something that's long overdue. I meant to post this quite a while ago, but I'm just finally getting around to it now. Product review of a product that, unlike anything else in aviation, can make a huge improvement to your airplane for a very, very small amount of money. And by a small amount of money, I don't mean a couple hundred, I mean $14. Was very, very, very impressed with this, very surprised by this, and I wanted to share a little bit. So I'll show you here a picture of my my taxi lights, and you can see that both wings look about the same. You can barely see the lights. They look really, really foggy, really, really scratched up. And I wasn't sure whether I needed to replace the plastic or remove it and clean it. But I thought I'd give this a try before I tried anything too drastic. The replacement plastic pieces are hundreds of dollars for this airplane, so I really didn't want to do that. Anyway, went out to Amazon, did a little research, went out to Amazon, and found this Novus scratch remover. So it's three-phase product. The first one cleans, the second one is a fine scratch remover, and the third is a heavy scratch remover. It's a three-step process, probably took me, I don't know, 10 or so minutes per side. And I went back and forth with each phase, let each one kind of sink in a little bit. And then what I ended up with when I was done was my taxi light lenses looked almost new. I mean, you could still see some fine scratches on them, but completely clear, a whole lot more light coming through them. Just made the airplane look a whole lot better. You'll notice too that I only cleaned the outside, so all of that yellowness, all of that scratching, all of that discoloration was all on the outside of the lens. So interestingly enough, shortly after I did this, one of these lights actually went out. The replacement to this light is rather expensive because you can't replace the bulb. It's that whole halogen, or that whole unit inside there that holds the halogen bulb itself. So rather than going out and spending a few $100s on replacing that unit, I actually went and replaced those with an LED replacement from Malibu Aerospace. So I'll put a link in the comments about that as well, and I'll showing a picture of that here. But these are literally drop in, pull out the old ones, pop in the new ones. They're built to use the existing harnesses, but these are what's in the airplane right now. First time I taxied with these at night, oh my God, what a difference. First time I took off and landed at night, huge difference in the amount of light that they're throwing. I believe this took the mechanic that installed it. It was less than an hour, might have been 45 minutes in total that I got charged to install both of these lights on each side. So really easy, quick install. Huge difference on the amount of lighting. So here's a picture of the airplane. Unfortunately, I don't have a close-up of the wingtip lights with the new lights. But here's a couple pictures of the airplane inside a hangar, lit up with the new lights, both the existing LED landing light and the new LED taxi lights that are on there. Just throws a whole ton of light, which is really nice. The only lights now that are left on the exterior of the plane that are not LED are the wingtip lights, so the nav and the strobe lights, and I think I'm going to be replacing those in August with the Orion 600 LED lights as well. So taking the plane in for painting in November. Currently working on a paint scheme, trying to figure out exactly what I want to make it look like. If I'm going to strip the whole thing and repaint it, I might as well have a little bit of fun with it. So we're working on that now. We'll have new lights installed by then, and there'll definitely be some videos about that coming during the drop off and the pickup, and maybe a little more about the process. Anyway, that's enough for now. I will sign off and see you again soon. Thanks for watching.